Last match of the night here, folks. It is a 138-pound final. We have Antonio Petrucelli, the junior. He's 40-7 on the year from Owen J. Roberts, and senior Tyler Williams from Souderton, 35-2. They gave the home guy the last match in his gym. Rumor is they did it so the Souderton fans would stay and help clean up when it's over. A lot of action here early on the reshot attempt. Williams in. He comes in. Petrucelli locked through the crotch, trying to roll him through. Williams reaching, trying to step over. He's got to stay on that ankle. Now he's in trouble. He lost it. Now he's trying to re-switch it. Keep going
through that crotch edge too.
Williams, he's scrappy and he's technical at the same time. He's got it all.
And if I'm not mistaken, he's been dominant today too.
Correct.
Good looks. Shout out to my 106, Jake Williams. Looks like we got, what is there at third place? We got Keyway McNair and
Jack McGill from Springford.
And then in fifth, we got a Hatboro kid in the black singlet. And looks like he's wrestling a kid from
Harriton.
Yeah. Oh, no. It's Garnet Valley.
45 to go here in the first period. Petro working in pretty hard to get out. And he slides up and comes out, but on engine and Matt. Scott Thorne, our lead official here. He is assisted by Mark Marino.
My fault, Joe. I was mistaken. I thought that.
Yeah, you had to get one more in.
Thought that was a Hatboro kid.
Petro up to his feet.
Shout out to Trent, the head coach of Hatboro. This is all Glenn's fault, by the way.
And Williams
going to get it.
Yep, he's got.
Look how tight he is on that wrist, man.
Yep. 20 seconds to go here. He's gonna be up 4-0 at.
I've been preaching this, Joe, for a couple of years now. When you're on that bottom, your hand fighting and hand control is key, especially around here in our region. Everybody loves those tilts, those wrist tilts and those arm tilts. And you see so many guys, they just get down there and we got no hand fight, we got nothing going on.
4-0 in the first period.
And if you hear the Owen J coach is telling him, we got a hand fight, we got to clear our hands before we do anything. I'm not gonna lie, Joe, surprised by this first period score.
Likewise.
Williams right to his feet. See if he can get that ankle down on the mat. We're out of bounds. We're gonna get a fresh start here. Looks like McNair's winning over there too. Good matches, 138 all around actually.
Tough weight class.
Agreed. Agreed. See if we can get it. Petrucelli's gonna let him out.
Yeah, he's probably strongest on his feet.
Yeah, agreed. But I feel like Williams is here to match him though. That intensity on his feet.
And snap down, and Williams shoots through that.
Sprawl.
Doing a good job of feeding him some hips right now.
Yep, get a good cross low. That was pretty nice. Oh, trying to pancake. Petrucelli's got to come up and finish with that.
Yep.
Keep coming around. Keep coming around. Williams looking for a stalemate.
Yeah, watch that knee.
Yep.
So minute 13 left. 5-0 lead for Tyler Williams right now.
Got 5-0. Minute left.
Petrucelli watching a lot of reaching right now. He's in on that inside leg again.
Whoa, that was nice.
Yeah, real great counter there by Tyler Williams.
Yeah, man.
Extends the lead to 7-0.
Tyler's looking ready. Petrucelli looking.
And he's got a reversal 7-2. Be good momentum going into the third.
He needs to finish on top here.
Get your foot off it, run your leg. Get your leg out.
3 seconds to go. 7-2 is the score we'll have going into the third period.
We need all 285-pound first runners at the podium, please. All 285-pound first runners. Please make your way to the podium, guys. Thank you.
Petrucelli's got to get to his feet.
Yep, minute 42 left here in the third period.
Petrucelli's got to get up. Williams riding tough, man. Looks like, Joe, it looks like to me, Tyler Williams came in for the challenge. He knew he was in front of the home gym, home crowd.
Yeah. Caution on Petrucelli trying to get that head start. Just under 90 seconds to go in the match. Latest PA Power rankings, Tyler Williams is ranked 5th in the state, and Antonio Petrucelli is ranked 6th. 7-3 the score.
This is one of those matches too, Joe. I won't be surprised to see this next week in a blood round, possibly even a medal round.
Elbow pound.
I'll be optimistic saying that we see this in a medal round, not the blood rounds.
Okay.
So I think both guys can have potential to get on the podium next week. Petrucelli's got to square his hips up here, get pressure to him.
If I'm not mistaken, Williams has one already, right?
Yep, he was in semifinals last year. I believe he ended up finishing 6th.
Cool. That's what I thought. I couldn't remember if he was 5th or 6th.
9-3 score here with 30 seconds to go. Right now,
Joe, this has been dominant.
Yeah,
Williams
he's got way too much juice for him.
Dominant performance by Tyler Williams right now.
Do we throw his name in the hat for OW being in his home gym?
You know what? That might be the key factor for him right
and
now.
the amount of state ranked guys that he beat en route to winning.
Yes, that might be the sleeper, Joe, when it comes to that award tonight.
Yep. But how many people already submitted their ballot at this point in time?
Yeah. Like I said, if it's me, it's got to be Sheehy or it's got to be Milano.
Yep.
Tyler Williams playing to the crowd here.
Yep. I think Scott Dern just told him he could have whacked him for a team point.
Nah, no reason to do that.